In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Untitled Goose Game multiplayer online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, Untitled Goose Game features local co-op, which means that if you and a friend are sharing the same screen, so you connect two controllers to the same platform such as a PC, you will be able to play together. However, it doesn't natively feature online co-op. For this video, I'm going to show you an alternative method that allows you to do online co-op. So essentially, we're going to bypass the fact that it only supports local co-op and you will be able to play online. For this method, you are going to need Steam. Keep in mind that there are other methods available for consoles, such as PlayStation's Remote Play. However, for this video, I'm going to be talking about Steam specifically. Only one of you will need to own the game on Steam. So you go over to Begin and you select 2-player. Now, when you select 2-player, the game requires player 2 to press a button on their controller. What you have to do now is open your Steam interface, so press Shift plus Tab by default and go over to the friends list. You might also see the remote play pop up like this. Open the friends list, and when you choose it from here, you will be able to find your friend. So your friend will have their icon here. If they are online, they will be playing Untitled Goose Game. You simply have to right click them and then select Remote Play Together. As the name suggests, this allows you to simulate, like I said, local co-op, but essentially you will be doing it online. This requires a strong internet connection, so keep that in mind. When you choose Remote Play Together under your friend, an invite will be sent, so they also have to open the Steam overlay and accept the invite. Once they do, they will appear over here. Steam offers a voice chat, but this isn't needed, so if you want to, just mute the voice chat. And then, after this is done, make sure that your keyboard and mouse or controller is good to go. And for the player that you invited, you can click on these icons to enable the options to use keyboard, mouse, and controller. So if they are disabled like this, then just click on them once. Immediately upon clicking on those icons, they will be enabled and you are good to go. There's no secret to this. Let Remote Play run on the background, and now your friend will be able to press the respective button on their controller. Keep in mind that for this to work, at least one of you needs to use a controller. Usually, player 1 can either use a keyboard and mouse or controller, while player 2 is required to have a controller. I am not sure if you can do the opposite, where whoever is hosting uses a controller and the secondary player uses a keyboard and mouse, but you can try to see if it gives you the proper results. But regardless, as long as Remote Play is enabled, you will be able to go into 2-player Untitled Goose Game. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Untitled Goose Game multiplayer online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.